Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that I love. I'm just going to be doing the basic one today, and it's going to be overnight oats, guys. Overnight oats are amazing, and if you love oatmeal and you actually love the actual video I did on my oatmeal on this channel, which I'll try to leave the link below for my hot old-fashioned oatmeal, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make it. This can be in the refrigerator to up to 4 days. So you can put it in the refrigerator and within 6 to 7 hours you can actually eat it. You don't have to actually wait for it to get done overnight, and it'll be moist, tasty, and delicious. So I'm going to be using, I always reuse these. These are the candle jars from Walmart. I love them. I use them for so many different things. You guys have been rocking with me for a while, see me using them for like my bouillon cubes and stuff like that. So I reuse them for a lot of different things and for food because they're non-porous. So that's something, a little tip, keep those jars and utilize them for sugar and different things like that. So let's move on. This is how you make the overnight oats. It is very simple. I'm going to tell you the measurements, but I really don't measure, just to give you a gist of the flavor that I get out of this. So what you're going to need is some almond milk, and this is sweetened almond milk. Usually I do it with unsweetened because I usually put this in, but it's up to you. That means if you use the sweetened, you can use less of that or less of the maple syrup. So we have overnight oats. Do not get 5-minute oats. Do not get quick oats. Make sure it's not instant oats. Old-fashioned oats. Why? Because that is the process to make this taste amazing. If you get the ones that are quick, 5-minute or instant, they're going to be so mushy because they're already fast cooking, and then if you let them sit too long with that liquid, it's just going to be disgusting. So I have cinnamon, and I use Ceylon cinnamon. I order my cinnamon. It's like an organic cinnamon, but you can use regular cinnamon. I have pure, 100% pure grade A amber colored, rich taste maple syrup. Okay. And then I have some vanilla extract right from Dollar Tree. And I have my brown sugar, which is normally from Aldi's. And then I have my pink Himalayan salt. Now this right here, I use this in my regular oatmeal recipe, but I also use it in this because it gives it that, it's just a certain taste I like in my oatmeal, and I don't like it to be bland, and salt does the trick. If you made my old-fashioned oatmeal on the stove, you'll know what I'm talking about. And because you can't really put butter in it this way, where you could melt it and put it in there, what I usually do is after it's done, the next day I'll scoop some up in a bowl. I usually make enough for about 2 or 3 days in here, and I scoop it out in the morning if I want oatmeal, put it in a bowl, and I add some butter and heat it up in the microwave, and then I'll just enjoy it. And I might add a little bit more milk to thin it out a little bit if I want it a little bit thinner. Sometimes I like it thick, sometimes I like it thinner. But let's just get into the video. So you got your container, and for every I want to say cup of oats, you would add about the same amount of milk. So a cup of oats will give us a nice I'll say, let's say we got a cup right there. Let's say that's about a cup. So then I will pour a cup of milk in there as well, just for the sake of measuring, because this is a big container. So we got a cup of milk is going to go in there with the oats, right? Now, it depends on how you like it. That's a cup of oats and a cup of milk. Now, in order for me to get 2 servings, we're going to do 2. So I'm going to kind of double the milk. I mean the oats. Not really double, like maybe 1.5. Oops, something is there. 1.5. Hold on 1 second, guys. So then I'll put like another 1/2 cup of milk in there. All right. So that's what we have. And then we're going to put some cinnamon. I love cinnamon. So I'll put like a good, I'll say 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. And then I'm going to put a good, literally like, I'll say 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then I'm going to put some of this syrup in, and I'm going to put about a good 2 tablespoons, right? Now with the brown sugar, I'm going to put about 2 heaping, so 2 heaping spoons. And then we're going to put some dashes of this salt. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. That is it. So I'm going to stir this up really good. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And you will see what it looks like the next day. Because I'm going to get close. Let me stir this up real good, get close, and then put it in the refrigerator. All right, guys, so we are all stirred up and you can see what it looks like. You can tell it's not done. It's kind of watery. So the next clip will be the next day. The greatness of editing and camera. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And we're going to see what it looks like on tomorrow in the morning. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. And this is the next day. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to open it. Sorry, I cut myself, so I had to put a Band-Aid on. So you see the difference from yesterday and today. Now, if you want it thinner, which the reason why I don't make it too thin is because once you put the butter in it, it thins it out even more once I throw it in the microwave. But if you want it thinner, you add more water. I love it because look at it. That's a big jar full of oatmeal. And with this, you can keep it in the refrigerator up to 4 days. You can make this ahead of time. I got so many different concoctions, but this is my basic one. I got like a banana bread, one with walnuts, and you put bananas in here, strawberries and cream, pineapples and cream, different ones that you can utilize. And you can get those containers from the Dollar Tree. They don't have to be glass for your kids. So if you want to do small little ones, and it actually, I like it when I put my walnuts and pecans in here, and I'll eat it cold, guys, and it tastes really, really good cold. Now, this is something if you need a quick breakfast on the go for anybody in your family who may love oatmeal. Get those containers from the Dollar Tree, the smaller little round containers, and you can make them ahead of time and they can just grab them out the refrigerator when you get to your office, school, or whatever it is that you have to do. You could just pop it in the microwave and add fruit to it or whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, thumbs up and share the channel. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the family by subscribing and hit that notification bell so you are alerted every time I put up new videos. I will probably be giving you at least 3 videos a week until I get caught up, because I have a lot of videos I want to share with you guys, and sometimes I forget to put them out when I have so many waiting. So yeah, Mondays and I keep forgetting Mondays and Thursdays, or is it Tuesday and Thursday? I gotta figure this out. But you guys will know if you have the notification bell. You'll know when something is posted, and I will see you guys later, Gators.